Some hospital services canceled or postponed by the coronavirus pandemic will soon resume at a number of West Michigan hospitals. Holland Hospital, the latest to announce certain procedures will become available this month. News 8's Joe LaFurgey has our story tonight.
Concern over the spread of COVID and the availability of some supplies led to those reductions. But now some of those postponed procedures are catching up with patients.
A lot of these patients have been deferred since mid-March at this point, and so many of them have ongoing medical problems that need to be taken care of.
So Holland Hospital has resumed offering services, including some surgeries.
We want our community to know that it's still safe to seek medical care when it's needed.
Holland Hospital joins Metro Health, University of Michigan Health in Wyoming, and Bronson Methodist Hospital in Kalamazoo in the resumption of some services.
We are going through a priority process, moving from the most urgent to least urgent and eventually into elective over the next weeks.
Hi, how can I help you?
Each hospital has taken steps to prevent the spread of the virus, following CDC guidelines on cleaning and social distancing and having enough personal protection equipment on hand.
We will also be screening all patients who enter our facilities, either the hospital or ambulatory settings, for COVID symptoms or exposure to COVID.
And while the health and well-being of patients is a concern, so is the financial health and well-being of hospitals. Service reductions at Holland Hospital led to temporary layoffs. Bronson Methodist saw a 50% reduction in revenues.
Is there a financial consideration on the hospital's part to being able to resume these two?
Not at all. I mean, honestly, the financial piece of it is something that we'll all be dealing with for a long time.
Those two things are connected to one another, but the financial is not driving the clinical. The clinical is really the result of our ability to safely offer care in this community.
We checked with several other local hospitals, including Spectrum Health, where officials there say they're still deciding when to resume some of those services. Reporting from home, Joe LaFurgey, News 8.